Welcome to NGIIT, an organization committed to excellence in education and professionalism. Right from its inception in 1998, NGIITM has been providing affordable education, international exposure, skill enhancement courses, a smart syllabus, and a stimulating campus life. These are a few of the many offerings of NG that guarantee a position of respect for our students in the professional world. NGIITM is affiliated with prestigious institutions like Sikkim Manipal University, Lovely Professional University, and Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Open University. It has also received many awards in the past few years. At NGIITM, we don't just provide education, we provide excellence. Our director believes in one mantra: knowledge, skill, and attitude.
The aim of our education service is to bridge the gap between academic and professional sphere of the students.
મારી દીકરી યેશા NGIITMમાંથી MBA કરે છે અને MBA જોઈન કર્યા પછી એની પર્સનાલિટી સારી એવી ડેવલપ થઈ છે અને એનો સેલ્ફ કોન્ફિડન્સ પણ સારો એવો વધ્યો છે.
મેનેજમેન્ટ સ્કિલ પણ એની ઘણી ડેવલપ થઈ છે અને આ કોલેજ જોઈન થયા પછી અમને ઘણો સંતોષ છે. થેન્ક યુ NGIITM.
NGIITM has always considered us as the next generation leader of the professional world.
In today's fast-paced and growing economy, NGIITM helps industry employees to upgrade their skills with knowledge by offering them distance learning courses.
હું હર્ષદ પિંખાપર સુરત મહાનગરપાલિકામાં ડેપ્યુટી એકાઉન્ટન્ટ તરીકે છેલ્લા 7 વર્ષથી સર્વિસ કરી રહ્યો છું. મારે MBAનો કોર્સ કરવો હતો. આ માટે મેં જુદી જુદી યુનિવર્સિટીમાં તપાસ કરી. છેવટે NGIITM કે જે UGC DEC યુનિવર્સિટીનો માન્ય કોર્સ છે તેમાં મેં પ્રવેશ લીધો અને હાલ મેં સેકન્ડ સેમેસ્ટરની પરીક્ષા આપી છે. NGIITM દ્વારા દરેક સ્ટુડન્ટને પર્સનલ ID એલોટ કરવામાં આવે છે, જેના દ્વારા કોઈપણ વિદ્યાર્થી 24/7 લોગિન કરી કોઈપણ પ્રકારના માહિતી, ચેટ, ડાઉટ ક્લિયર કરી શકે છે. મેં NGIITM જ્યારે જોઈન કર્યું ત્યારે મને ખાતરી નથી કે તેઓ માહિતી અને પર્સનલ કેર આટલી રાખશે. હાલમાં મને વિશ્વાસ થઈ ગયો છે કે તેઓ તરફથી મારે જે કોઈ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન, પ્રાઇવેટ પ્લેસમેન્ટ કે કોઈ ડેટાની જરૂર હોય તો તેઓ તરફથી તે આપવા સદાય તૈયાર રહે છે. થેન્ક યુ NGIITM.
Hi, I am Paresh Upadhyay. I am very pleased to say that I am a very successful employee of APG Cements Limited. I want to thank NGIITM, which has provided me a great opportunity in career and education by providing a course of MBA in marketing. With the help of this NGIITM MBA course, I was able to have a greater opportunity in APG Cements. I am furthermore thankful to NGIITM because when I started my course of MBA, I was basically a science graduate and we were finding some difficulties with accounts and statistics. When I contacted the institute, because I was with distance learning, they specially arranged classes. So with the help of these additional supports, I was able to clear my MBA through the subjects, all three subjects, with very short span and with immediate clarities.
Hi, I am Bhavesh Patel, working as a branch manager with Axis Capital Limited since 5 years. In our last recruitment drive, we have selected 6 employees from NGIITM. here we found a promising candidate as per our needs. We look forward more recruitment from NGIITM in coming future.
Hello, I am Ramchandran, Head of Technical Training, Piramal Glass Limited, Kosamba. Our group believes in the enhancement of knowledge of our employees. We have employees of degree holders and diploma holders. To enhance their knowledge in graduation, we are associated with NGIITM Surat, and they have the best process and processes for the education of our employees. Every month their process comes and take the classes, and as per the schedules, our employees will be getting graduation, PG, diploma in business management, and this is a great value addition for our employees and the organization. We are very much thankful to the group of NGIITM for their great support and the professional handling of our education, and we wish all the best for them, and we grow together in the best of performances. Thank you.
NGIITM, you have the skills and ability. We sharpen it in best environment.
We are proud to be NGIITMites.
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 NGIIT, they believed in us. Now it's your time to believe in yourself. NGIIT, ability just needs a right environment.